Hey, what's up everybody? It's Jared here with Heat Press Nation, and I'm super excited to be back here in the Creators Corner, and I'm gonna share with you 5 things that I absolutely love about the Epson G6070 Direct-To-Film Printer. All right, so number 1 is gonna be the easy setup, and God bless Epson for thinking about us when they were designing this printer, because the unboxing is so easy. It can be mostly done by one person, as you'll see in our video. But when it comes time to remove the printer out of the crate and onto the stand, that does require 4 people. So make sure you have 4 people on hand when it's time to set up. But other than that, the setup is, and I'm not exaggerating when I say this, it's truly a breeze. In fact, you can be uncrating to your first print within about 90 minutes. If you're quick, honestly, if it takes a little longer, it's not a race or anything like that. But if you know what you're doing and you're focused and you have even just a tiny bit of familiarity with setting printers up, you could be out of the crate and onto your first print in about 90 minutes. Number 2 on my list of favorites, it's gonna be the sealed ink packs. Now the sealed ink packs, honestly, it looks like bags of ink, and this is great because every other DTF printer out there that I'm aware of is gonna just, you're kind of pouring the inks into the tank. But with the ink packs, your ink installation is super easy. It's mess free. It could not be any easier. And when it comes time to charge the ink, and when we say charge the ink, that's where the ink goes from the tank all through the lines and to the print head. Instead of that being a manual process, it's fully automated. So you don't have to worry about any funnels, any syringes, any pouring here, pulling this out, opening this up, getting this, getting that. No. The ink charge is completely automated. And this does take about 50 minutes, which is totally fine, because during that time you can start downloading your software. It's not wasted time. And to be honest, we're spending at least that much time doing the ink charge manually anyway, so at least this way it's fully automated. And remember how I said you can be uncrating to your first print within about 90 minutes. The only reason why that's so long is because of the 50-minute ink charge. And still, we're coming in a lot faster than we would with other printers. So again, super duper easy. So number 3 is gonna be the huge print area. The Epson G6070 has about a 35-inch print width. That is ridiculous. It does require that you have a specialized shaker oven. We prefer the Miro 36. It's beautiful, pairs perfectly. We have a video on that as well, coming soon. The size, I mean, just being able to print that huge and get that much output from your machine, it's beautiful. But what's cool, you don't have to use that huge print if you already have, let's say you already have a 24-inch powder or shaker oven, whatever you want to call it. That's cool. You could load 24-inch rolls. You can even load 17 or even 12-inch rolls into the G6070. So it's very versatile. It can load whatever width rolls you're already used to. The roll ends, you could use either the 2 or the 3-inch cores. Like, it's very versatile, but you can go all the way up to that huge 35-inch width, which I highly recommend you do. You're gonna love it, trust me. Numero cuatro, the easy maintenance. Oh, again, thank you. I should send a thank you note to Epson for making the G6070, because the maintenance, it really is so chill. So your daily maintenance on the G6070, you're going to shake the white, not even shake it, sorry. You're going to, and I'm sorry to all the teachers out there, you're gonna do this. All right, you're gonna 6-7 the ink packs. You're gonna gently rock the ink packs, and it's not even all the ink packs, it's just the white. You're gonna rock the white ink pack gently. And what's cool about the G6070 is on screen, it'll give you a reminder every day to rock the ink packs. So you're gonna do that, and that's just to keep the titanium dioxide from settling in the white ink. So you do that, you put that back in. It may ask you to run a head cleaning, which is just a push of a button, it's gonna do its own, but there's no manual daily cleaning, which is beautiful. Now, once a week, you do want to get in there and you do want to clean the suction cap. So you still have to go there and manually clean a little bit, but that's once a week versus once a day, which is what's required for other printers. The self-maintenance is amazing on here. It uses a really cool technology where it has its own wiping system on there, which is why you don't have to go in daily. So the maintenance requirements are very reduced from what we're finding on other printers out there. So it's really awesome. And number 5 is gonna be the gorgeous print. Okay, so the G6070 has incredible print quality. I mean, this thing, the prints look phenomenal. The colors look great. The crisp edges are just chef's kiss. They're beautiful. And the reason why is because of not only the print head, but the technology that powers the print head. So let me talk about that really quick. Now, there's lots of other DTF printers. In fact, I would go as far as to say most DTF printers out in the market are actually using Epson print heads. But even though they might have Epson print heads, what they don't have is Epson's nozzle verification technology. That's something that's exclusive to Epson machines. Other printers may have Epson print heads. They don't have the full technology to power those print heads. Not only that, Epson, they make their own ink and their own print heads and their own technology to power the print heads. So that means that in an Epson printer like the G6070, the ink viscosity has been fine-tuned to perfectly match the print head, and that print head with the nozzle verification technology is able to fully optimize each and every one of the gazillion nozzles in that print head. What does all that mean?
I'm really glad you asked that question.
It means that you're gonna get beautiful prints. You're gonna get the most efficient use of your ink. That's number 5 of things that I love about the G6070. Now, there's a whole lot of other things that I love about the G6070. If you want more details on like all the cool features on this printer, we actually got to talk with Paul at Epson, so be sure to check that video out. But there's so much more that I love about it. But if I had to condense it into a list of my 5 top features, these are it. You can get more information and order your own Epson G6070 Direct-To-Film Printer at heatpressnation.com. You can get more information and see more videos on it right here on our YouTube channel. And if you like videos like this, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we have new videos releasing every week. All right, that's gonna do it for me. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation. Adios.